This is our day. This is Sunday. So, kasama kami ngayon. And fortunately, meron akong driver. And it's not my car, it's my hubby's car. This is Suzuki Multi-Cab. Tinatawag ko yung LJ Cab. It's because a combination of our name. So guys, thank you so much to all my subscribers. Sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe, please, huwag niyong kalimutan i-like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification down below para malaman niyo kung meron kami mga bagong uploads next time. So for today guys, I'm not driving. This is hubby. So we're going to our relatives because meron kaming gagawin doon na importante. Ouch! So this is very bumpy road. It's a bumpy. So how's your day? So this is Duyan guys. Ito yung itsura ng sasakyan ni Happy. And ipapakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. This, sa labas, yan sa likod, madami kaming karga. That's squash or pumpkins as my nephew said. So madami yung sa loob. Yan. So a day our life as a Burika Char-Char. So for today, we're going to City Hardware. Bibili kami ng epoxy and thinner for our bangka use. So dito muna kami guys. Alright, see ya! Pipili muna kami ng epoxy and thinner. Just a small amount na kayang sustain ang mga needs ng aming bangka kasi i-repair today. So, see you later. What's that? Power Ranger niya to. This is Vaporin. See? Vaporin. So, we're going inside. Uy, bawal.
Kasi white mo.
Ha? 30 white. Ay! So, at this point guys, si Habi na ang pumipili ng mga thinner at saka epoxy. Ako naman, since pinapagawa yung bahay namin, naghanap ako ng ibang klaseng mga doorknob at kung ano-ano pa na pwede gamitin sa aming future house. Maganda, no? So, this is our day, guys. So, malapit nang matapos si Happy. Nasa cashier na siya. Siya na kasi lahat na pumili and of course, siya na nagbayad. Iniiba namin yung expenses sa house namin and of course, expenses sa aming bangka. So, that's all for today, guys. See you next time. Medyo busy na. I need to charge my phone. As you can see, madaming transactions si Happy. Once again, thank you so much for watching. This is Lara Joanna. That's all for today. Bye-bye for now.